Right now, there are apps sitting on your phone watching everything you do, listening through your microphone, tracking your location, reading your messages, and draining your battery while doing it. And the worst part, you installed them yourself. Here are the apps you need to delete immediately. App number 1, free flashlight apps. A flashlight needs 0 internet access, 0 location access, 0 microphone access, yet most free flashlight apps request all 3. Why? Because they're not really flashlight apps, they're data collection tools, disguised as something useful. App number 2, free photo editing apps. Incredibly popular, and in some cases, incredibly invasive. Many request access to your entire photo library, your camera, your microphone, and your location, all at once. And your photos contain more personal data than you think. Your face, your home, your family, even your location history embedded in the images. App number 3, free game apps. The most downloaded category on every app store, and also one of the most aggressive when it comes to data collection. These apps track how long you play, when you're active, where you go, even your behavior patterns, all of it packaged and sold to advertisers and data brokers. App number 4, third-party keyboard apps. This one should concern you the most. A keyboard sits between you and everything you type, your passwords, your credit card numbers, your private messages, every single keystroke potentially captured. Here's what you need to do. Go to your phone settings, tap privacy, check which apps have access to your microphone, camera, and location. If an app has access it doesn't need, remove it immediately, then delete any app you haven't used in the last 30 days. Your phone is the most personal device you own. Don't let strangers live inside it for free. Subscribe if you want to stay protected, because next video we're exposing how scammers use WhatsApp to steal money from millions of people every day. Stay safe. Stay threat-proof.